Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I think it's extremely clear that this is a big 1-2, and we're currently still in that wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, which is why I still think that we have a lot of upside potential. I'm looking at around the 25.50 area as the minimum target for this wave 3. So, heading down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this right here is a wave 1, I think this right here is a wave 2, and I think all of this is just subdivisions of a wave 3. Now, we are having a little bit of a bounce right here, but I definitely still think that we need to go up to that 161.8 around the 25.50 just to finish off this wave 3 before we make a big wave 4 and potentially a big wave 5. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still find this to be a little bit of an odd pattern because it definitely did make 5 waves down right here, which is why last week I was calling this a wave A and this move up I was thinking was a wave B. Now we did take out the previous high, so it still could technically be a wave B. Wave Bs do sometimes take out the previous high, so if it does end up making a push down like a wave C, and then it goes up to that 161.8, I still think that would be a completely normal looking pattern. But as of now, at least until the daily time frame makes a lower high, makes a break of structure, or makes an engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely still be very bullish on these sort of time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last push up right here. I think that this move down is likely a crescent to just this move up. And it definitely has already made 3 waves down. We already are sitting at the 50%. So if this does continue to maintain momentum, then I'm going to say that is likely the end of a crescent. And I definitely would be bullish until the higher time frames like the daily at least tell me otherwise. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, it definitely looks like a nice little impulsive down like a wave A. This move up to me looks like it could be a wave C. Not a wave C, but a wave B. Then this right here looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a wave C. We definitely do have a Fibonacci bounce. We do have an engulfing move up. We do have a break of structure. It looks like we potentially have the end of a crescent. And if that is the end of a crescent, then it needs to be trending up from here. If it does anything beyond turn into an uptrend at this point, then you know that this ABC crescent is invalidated. So if it does not hold this structure break and continue to make momentum to the upside, then you definitely want to get out of your longs and maybe even end up going short. But for now, all the higher time frames are definitely very, very bullish. Shorter time frames, I'm definitely looking at anything I can identify the end of a 3-wave pullback to go long for the continuation of what I still think is a wave 3, and my target is still the 25.50 area for this wave 3 to end. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list from top to bottom. And it also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.